Shocking confession has confounded lovers of the Swedish meatball.
The Swedish government has admitted
Sweden's government confessed a terrible secret via Twitter.
Swedish meatballs are actually based on a recipe King Charles XII brought from home in the early 18th century. Let's stick to the facts.
Potatoes, oats, onions, apples. If you want to make a ball that really tastes like meat, you have to add different types of umami flavors.
The climate footprint is actually only 4% of the climate footprint of the meatball when you look at the ingredients that go into it.
New facts: our new plant-based meatballs, with the same taste and texture as the regular ones, have been created by our chef Alex Magnusson, 100% Swedish, in the early 21st century. Let's stick to these facts now. We can discuss later your regular meatballs fact.
Excellent.